Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to discuss important questions from your unit 8 of physics. The very first question is Bohr atomic model, postulates of Bohr atomic model. Second is drive an expression for radius, velocity, speed or energy of electron in hydrogen atom. For energy there is a formula minus 13.6 upon n square, and must remember this formula. This is very important. Next question is, next I write here one numerical which is based on Rydberg formula, so you must remember this Rydberg formula. 1 upon lambda is equal to z square r into 1 upon nf square minus 1 upon ni square. In this numerical, wavelength of the radiations emitted when electron in hydrogen like helium atom jumped from n is equal to infinity to n is equal to 2. This is asked. So here value of r is equal to 1.09678 into 10 raised to power 7, and for helium atom atomic number z is equal to 2. Electron jump from infinity, so ni is equal to infinity and nf is 2. Put all these values in this formula and you get your answer. I write here some more formulas which may be helpful for you for solving your numericals. Mass defect, binding energy per nucleon, and 1 AMU is equal to 931 mega electron volt. R is equal to R naught a power 1 by 3. This is for calculation of radius, atomic radius, and these are the formula from radioactivity. N is equal to n naught exponential of minus lambda t. This t half is half life of radioactive substance. Numerical, there are a lot of numerical on this formula, and tau is mean life of radioactive substance. Tau is equal to 1 upon lambda. Come on, questions. Theoretical question, direct questions has been asked from this chapter also. These are a state law of radioactive decay, and so the radioactive decay is exponential in nature. This is very important question, and this will be asked in one series definitely. Drive an expression for half life period. Calculate the energy equivalent to 1 AMU in mega electron volt. I already told you this 1 AMU is equal to 931 mega electron volt. You can also try it. Next, you must read about what is alpha decay, beta decay, gamma decay. In alpha decay there is emission of alpha particles, and this is the reaction. In beta decay there is emission of electron. Beta decay is of two types, beta minus decay and beta plus decay. In beta minus decay there is emission of electron and with antineutrino, and in beta plus decay there is emission of positron with emission of neutrino. And in gamma decay, what are gamma rays? These are generally photons, and in this reaction the parent nuclei remain same. There is no change in daughter nuclei. Next question, binding energy of nucleus. These are small definitions, you just learn them. Binding energy per nucleon curve is very important. This is very important. Mass defect, nuclear fission and chain reactions and its types, controlled and uncontrolled reactions. Question may be asked from this nuclear reactor also. This is very important. You have to know about its construction part and working. And in construction part, the moderator is important part which is used in nuclear reactor. It is used to slow down the neutrons. For example, heavy water and graphite as a moderator has been used. Control rods are used to control the chain reactions, and coolant are used to cool the system when a large amount of heat is produced. So you just remember all these things, and all the best for your exams. And about unit 9,